Welcome to Hereford.
Lots of people. We're in the countryside. Was that good or not?
No, that's not. That's not how they talk.
How do I talk countryside then?
In Wales, like, we're down in Wales.
In the countryside?
No, I'm not.
Look, we found a sheep.
Should we go and look at the sheep? Is it a sheep?
I don't know if he's got out.
Is it a goat?
Don't mind all this poop we're standing in. Oh no, it's a goat.
It's a goat.
It's obviously got out. Was it stuck?
Do they come like a dog? It's through that gate.
So apparently we're in this gate. You can see our shadows. Wave! What's this goat doing?
Let's get some.
His horn might be stuck. Is it?
No, it's just eating.
Hello! Are you our pet? Oh!
Scared her.
I didn't even know we was here. Hello! Oh, there's loads of them.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, it's beautiful. Hello.
Welcome to the apple orchard.
Beautiful. You're so beautiful, baby. Apples. Pardon?
With this hair up.
I know. They obviously rub up it, don't they? Look at all the hair on the thing. Unless we're in some sort of voodoo. We're walking into something satanic.
Oh, there's another white post.
Right, we're finding a white post and that will lead us to our destination. Ooh, wonder where we're staying.
It's nice though, it's really peaceful.
Yeah, it's lovely. So here's another white post. Follow the white post. Follow the white post. Follow the white post. God, I'm nervous. Can we see another white post? Oh.
Hello.
Hello. Meh.
Probably that way.
Stop it. Okay, there's a white post down here. Stop it. Oh, hello. Did it say for another gate? Did it?
Yeah, this one's supposed to be shut, but there's a rusty out bell out here. This is cute.
Maybe they might come.
No.
Oh, the goats are coming.
Oh yeah, through the pine plantation. That's what it said.
Hello. Hello, beautiful. Are you our neighbours? Whoa! You made me jump. Did that make you jump? Did that make you jump?
No, you did.
Wait, I'm a bit worried here.
It's okay. Oh, we know we're in the right place because there's the cute little hammock that they've got in between the trees.
Uh-huh.
Can you see that?
So this is our cute hammock. How adorable. Can you imagine we wake up and there's a goat in it? Oh. Oh, it's got...
Definitely get some reading time in here. We have to clean these off there.
Would they stab you?
It might not just be nice on the skin.
It's beautiful. Do you want to try?
Okay. We're used to hammock, aren't we?
Oh yeah, there we go.
So one might be considered a hammock pro. What are you saying? Hey, this is okay.
Yeah?
Yeah, a little bit of repositioning. And then, yeah, I don't want to be sat with a bit of a wafty leg going on.
Beautiful, baby.
Do you want to go?
Soon. These little boxes out here. What is that?
That must be something to do with.
One popping up. What about in this one? Oh, seats for the.
The covers, the cushions, they're for these.
Oh, okay, that's cute, isn't it? So we can sit out here. It's over there. Do you want to show the windows up here? I don't know if I've got it right.
You've got these cute little skylight windows.
Yeah, for the set, baby. It's cute, isn't it?
Yeah. Initial reaction?
I love it. It's beautiful.
Yeah. Perfect. Shall we go and see where our kitchenette and wash station is?
Yeah. Let's go.
So we're just going through to where the kitchenette and toilet and shower room are. So it's all kind of, it's all private space. We've got like our own little garden area and it's quite really far away from the main residence. There's a what, another hammock? Yeah. Cute. And what have we got here?
Oh my god, are they alpacas?
They look like them. I'm just going to zoom in a little bit if we can. Yeah, there we go. These guys are just chilling.
What noise they make?
I have no idea. But you can see it's got really great views from here. But back to the matter at hand.
I'm scared. Okay. It all smells really fresh and clean.
Okay, perfect.
Should we take our shoes off here?
I think it might be nice just to keep it that way.
Okay.
So going in,
That's the microwave.
so they've got a fridge, freezer, little toaster, hot plate. Then there's like a sink, looks like a commercial sink, but it's quite cool. There's just some quirky little features in here, isn't there?
Yeah.
And what are we saying about the shower room? Should we give them a little...
It's just all clean. Like, there's no cobwebs, there's no spiders.
Hello.
I'm really chuffed with it. I'm so happy.
And this is the shower space. They've done a really cracking job here. Not what you would expect, really. So it's always say hello. So it's always. Is that our neighbours?
I'm not sure where they're going, but there's a lot of them. Oh. So these are ram, I believe. I think we've been calling them goats. I was like, they don't look like goats, and they make sheep noise. So these are male sheep, lambs. Oh, that one's going for a wee. How cute. Oh, and that one is too. But there's so many of them. I've just been watching them, and I thought I'll quickly capture this bit. To know where they're running. And I don't know if there's more food up that area. I don't think I can capture where they are either. It's right in this area. And that's where we was yesterday when we arrived, and one had their head in a bucket. So unless there's a certain time that food goes there and they know that. Hello. Meh. I'm not good at your language, but I tried. So that's what I've been seeing. I've seen 2 left, and then there'll be like a whole group of them again. Or herd, or whatever the packed, whatever the word is for sheep. Lambs, rams. Sheep and lamb. I think they're the same. Ram. Yeah, they're all going up there. There's so many of them. Quick, you're going to miss out. Quick! Good afternoon to you too, sir. Hello. Oh. Thank you. That was a beautiful pose. We're about to have our little picnic. This is our breakfast and lunch. So brunch. Just before Wayne goes off on his experience day. I slept like a baby as well. It was so peaceful. A nice breeze. Beautiful. Baby, do you want to tell them how your experience was last night? Your sleep?
My sleep was interesting. To get last night's Pringles.
Really?
I had a bit of a restless night, to be honest. I was conscious it was a little bit chilly. Oh, napkins everywhere. That's okay. That's reality, people. Napkins fly about at picnics. So I was up turning on the heater because it was chilly last night, and then I don't know. I couldn't rest. It was a comfy bed, and it's a really nice space. It's not about that. I don't know. I just couldn't sleep properly, and then kind of finally went off about, I think it was like 2:30, and then woke up at like 6:30. So all in all, pretty eventful.
Oh, baby.
But yeah, how was yours?
Yeah, I've just told them.
Oh, you told them? Right,
Yeah, I
so
said
they
it was
know.
peaceful. But yeah, we're about to enjoy our picnic.
Yeah, it's definitely nice. Like the sounds that it's just really. It is peaceful. You're right. You've described it really well.
And I said I slept like a baby.
Lovely.
I was so comfy, I did my fidget thing.
Yes. And I was worried that I'd wake you up. I was getting up to turn off, and we've got a little heater in there. And I was like, oh, just wait.
Oh.
We're okay. We can go. It doesn't happen all the time. It must be like, I think it's a little protection inside me. Just wants to make sure you're okay.
I love you.
That's it. So yes, we've got a lot on here, haven't we?
Yeah. All vegan,
All crisps and dips.
apart from this bad boy.
This is
But
not
that's,
vegan.
That's for Wayne.
Yeah, it's my little vice.
But these pork pies, we got these ones from Tesco's. They're so good. They're like peppers and stuff inside, but it's so delicious.
It's like a stuffing in a meat in a not in a pork pie. Stuffing pork pie. It's lovely. So yeah.
Let's enjoy.
Yeah.
Hello. Oh, it's weird doing it by myself. So Wayne has gone to do his experience. He's been gone since 12:30, and it finishes at 5:30, I believe. And he's only like a 10-minute drive away, so he's not too far. But yeah, I'm on my own in the farm. It's a bit weird, really. It's very peaceful. You can hear the ram making their noise. But yeah, I'm just journaling, reading some book, doing some online training, thinking of ideas for the YouTube, and just really being at one with nature. Just being very present, because I think it's really important to ground ourselves and be present, be in the moment, listen to the sounds around. Just really take it in. And it's also important as well when you're in relationships to have this time as well, some time to yourself. You don't always have to do everything together, you don't always have to be together, even though, well, I could talk for myself, but Wayne also says the same, but I feel like we would always want to be together anyway and always spend our time together because we just love each other's company and time together, we just really enjoy it. But it is so important to have that time, do whatever it is that you want to do, be with yourself, be comfortable with yourself, having time to yourself. It's not about being lonely, it's being comfortable being alone with your own company. Because I think that's a really important thing, and a lot of us lose when in relationships as well. I've been guilty of it. But yeah, really. Sounds like someone's walking through the forest. It's a bit creepy. I don't know if there's something else on the other side of the trees. But anyway, yeah, as I was saying, yeah, it's really good to take that time for yourself. And yeah, whatever that looks like. And just remember, you'll see your partner again in however many hours or days, whatever it is that you've chose to have some new time, because you are a team, you're not one. I don't believe in the fact that you become one, because we're both in relationships you're individual people, so you become a team, you work together as a team. Yes, I don't know, I'm just mumbling. But yeah, it's really important to just have this time. I'm sure Wayne's going to record or take some pictures of his experience and tell you all about it. Well, he said he wants to, so who knows. I'm really excited to hear about his day and how it went and see what he made. That's a bit of a clue where he's gone, sort of. Yeah, I'm really excited to hear all about it. So yeah, I'm going to carry on having some me time and not focus too much on this. The internet's here is really shocking anyway, but we knew that. There's no Wi-Fi here, so we're all off data. So yeah, it's just, honestly, it's amazing. I really recommend doing this, just taking some time out. and it's okay to be by yourself. It really is okay. So yeah, see you later.
So I'm on my way to Oldfield Forge in Hereford. It's an experience there that I was gifted for Christmas by Bella. Hopefully I'll get some good footage and some pictures of what I'm up to and share the experience. I'll check back in later. So we're here at Oldfield Forge in Hereford, where I'm going to be making myself a candlestick holder. Check back in and I will show you what we're doing. So this is what I'm working with. I'm going to be making the candlestick holder with a pair of tongs and a hammer here. I'll keep you all the way through this if I can. And here is our mega hot fire. So what we're doing is we cut and now we're twisting the metal. You can see it. It's alright. You can see it's making a twist in the steel.
So what have you got, baby?
This is a buffalo hot chicken burger. Chicken, it's not real. Everything here is 100% vegan.
Yeah, loaded fries, chicken wings. I've got no beef burger.
What about the OG?
Yeah. Hey subscribers, guess where we are? We're feeling pretty stable at the moment, but you know, we just had some vegan food down there at no beef. But they have, at this place here, they've got some vegan options as well. Super tiny burgers. Wonder where we are. Where are we, guys?
Hey guys.
Hi guys, try and do an accent. No, we're in Cardiff. Bye.